I was gifted this really precious candle warmer lamp. Look how perfect this would make. Wrap some paper around it and give it as a gift. Let's go ahead and open it up together. So we have our manual. Then our lamp comes really nicely packaged, so you don't have to worry about anything breaking. Look how beautiful this is. Our candle warmer lamp comes with 2 light bulbs, and then we have our cord. Look at this beautiful detailing. This wood down here where you would put your candle. This is an adjustable neck. All you have to do is unscrew this and you can adjust the height. And then we have our absolutely gorgeous glass lamp here. Wow, this is so beautiful. The underneath has a no slip soft pad here, so wherever you put it, it will stay put. I am obsessed with this color. I think everything matches so effortlessly, and it'll be super easy to match this in your home. Go ahead and adjust the neck of my lamp and raise it up so that I can put my light bulb in there. We're just going to unscrew it and lift. That is all. So I lifted it up a little bit. I'm going to tighten it to make sure it stays nice and in place. I go ahead and put my light bulb inside. Easy, just align it and twist it into place. And there you have it. Let's go plug it in and check it out. Here is our perfect little lamp. You can see the detailing in so much closer. This gold is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love this knob here, which prevents it from falling. I adjusted it in the previous video that you saw, so you can have a bigger candle jar or a lower one under here. So I plugged it in, and here is our remote. We're going to go ahead and press it on. So you have a timer of 2, 4, and 8 hours, and then you also have an option of 50% light, 75% light, or 100% light. Here's 50, 75, and 100. So you can see how nice and bright it is, and you can control how your candle melts as well. Our lamp is a little over 10 inches in height, so it is the perfect height. I have it here in my kitchen, and I love that I can set a timer so I can have this going in the evening and it'll shut off all by itself, so you have that ease of mind. I love this chic style. I believe it will fit into any home so seamlessly and effortlessly. I love how steady this is, that nothing rotates, everything is nice and secure. How beautiful this wood is down here, that it doesn't slip around, that there is this beautiful little indent for your candle. Overall, this candle warmer lamp is beyond beautiful, and it definitely exceeded my expectations. I would 100% recommend it.